everybody, super excited. I got my box today from Quilty box, and I'm going to open it today and show you everything that's in a Quilty box for the March box. Opening it up, I'm not going to cut myself. I'm excited because it's got my Northern Lights collection featured in it and the Olivia star, and there's an extra English paper piecing pattern in there as well, so super excited about that. Hey, are you ready? I am. I'm so excited. All right, so this is the classic box, Quilty box, and what's in it? It's like Christmas. Love it. We've got the pattern and the inspiration. Oh, I love how it's laid out. Look at that. Wonderful. And it shows all the fabrics and the directions to make the Olivia star, as well as the simpler version of it. Okay. And then this is the tool that I chose to go in it. It's the color scope. So with your Bargello buddies, that's the fabric that goes in a Bargello next to each other. They play nice together. And this helps you choose them if you were wanting to do something different than what I had chosen to do in the Olivia star. And here's the back quarter bundle. Woo, yay. Also some thread to match to go with it. It's wonderful. And I designed a ruler to go with it. So I know a lot of you don't have a mom that teaches math, so the parallelograms and all of that kind of thing, making a diamond is a little bit more difficult. So we've done a cute little ruler, and it's two-sided. Obviously you can bring it down like this, so then you have a nice diamond for your Olivia star that's right here, okay? Okay, I am going to do some tips and tutorials on my blog, so make sure you check for the link over the next week or so on kind of how to do Bargello, my version of Bargello. It's a little bit different. It's got Bargello buddies, you've got a designated driver, all of those kind of tips. And you'll note Quilty Box made sure to put designer notes in their directions, and they're just little thoughts that I had that maybe you have a road bump or something like that, speed bump when you're doing it. And this just gives you another avenue to go to complete and be successful with your Olivia star. And I challenge you, mix them up. There's enough fabric here to mix up your Bargello buddies. Maybe you put the dark one as your fabric A, or maybe instead of this pink one you do, or maybe you put that bright green one. It's going to be your choice. It's your Olivia star. I'm really excited, and I hope to see a whole bunch of different versions. This is the English paper piecing Quilty box with for March with my Northern Lights collection in there. Okay, you've got the booklets, a really cute bundle, 5-inch squares of the entire collection. So you've got all of Northern Lights in this cute little one. And then Starry Aurora English paper piecing. And honestly, I think I'm gonna try this. I think this could be a fun little project. They've got the templates and the little ruler in there too. And it's a cute little project. We've got some thread as well from Wonderful Thread. So make sure you check out the English paper piecing Quilty box for March with my fabric Northern Lights.